This is a tutorial for Lewis Capaldi's Someone You Loved. We are playing it exactly as he plays it in the video, which is in the description below. There are only 4 chords which repeat over the song. He does change his picking style with those 4 chords, which we'll show you, and there's an extra chord in the bridge, which we'll show you too. He plays it tuned a whole step down. We're just going with standard tuning today. If you want to play it in the same key as him, we'll put the tuning at the end of the video. So here is the first chord. For the first chord, you're only playing 2 strings. You're playing the 3rd string and you're playing the 6th string. So on the 3rd string, you're playing the 9th fret, and on the 6th string, you're playing the 8th fret. So just those 2 notes, and you're picking those 2 strings like that. Then we're going to keep that shape and we're going to slide it all the way down so that your leading finger is on the 3rd fret. So we're now on the 4th and 3rd fret, and again those same 2 strings. This time when we slide up, we're going to the 5th fret, but we're going to have both fingers on the 5th fret. So I would recommend changing fingers this time. So I'm now using my 2nd and my 3rd finger, but the same strings that you're picking. And then we're going back to our original shape, but we're going all the way down to the 1st fret and the 2nd fret, the same strings. So this is the verse where you sing. I'll show you those 4 chords together. So we're starting on the 9th and 7th, sliding down to the 4th and 3rd, sliding up both on the 5th, and sliding down to the 1st and 2nd. So altogether that goes. So with the words on top, it should sound something like this. I'm going under, and this time I feel there's no one to save me. This all and nothing really got a way of driving me crazy. I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you helped me escape, and now the day bleeds. Okay, when he goes into the part that's now the day bleeds, we are playing the same chord, but we're adding the 2nd finger on the 2nd string in line with our 1st finger. So we're on the 8th fret. So like this, if you can see. And we're going to be doing a picking pattern. So I'll just show you the 4 chords and then I'll show you the picking pattern. So that's the 1st chord, 3 strings, and again we're sliding all the way down to the 3rd fret, keeping the same shape. This time we're sliding up to the 5th fret. Again, everything is on the 5th fret. And then we're sliding all the way down to the 1st fret with our original shape. So I'll show you that one more time. So we're starting on the 9th and 8th fret, on the 2nd, 3rd and 6th string, keeping the same shape down to the 3rd fret, up to the 5th fret, okay, so the picking pattern I'll show you now. So if we go to our 1st chord, with the 3 strings, it's the bass note twice, which is the 6th string, then the 2nd and 3rd string, then your bass note again, and then back to the 3rd string. So together that goes. Again, bass 2, 3, 6, 3. Okay, and at speed that goes. And that that same picking pattern is used for all of the chords. So that with the picking pattern goes like this. Now, when Lewis Capaldi plays it, he actually uses his thumb for the bass notes, which is what I do too. It is more comfortable than stretching your finger across. So if you'd rather do that, you can replace your first finger with your thumb, but just keeping the other two notes with the other two fingers the same, and you can just go. Okay, on the bridge, I tend to close my eyes part. There is an extra chord in there, so it's the same shape as our chord, which is on the 5th fret. So whether you're playing with your finger, like I showed you at the start, or whether you're playing with your thumb, the way he does, we're sliding all the way up to the 10th fret. So the 2nd, 3rd and 6th string, all on the 10th frets, those 3 notes. Yeah. Then we're sliding down to the 5th, all on the 5th. And then back to your original shape on the 3rd and 4th. And it's the same picking pattern as I've just shown you, so it's the bridge. If you like, you can just bar the full fret, which I tend to do, and you just play the same 3 strings, so and slide the whole bar down to 5th, and then back to your original. So it should go, I tend to close my eyes, but it hurts sometimes, and I fall into your arms if I stay too long, and I come back round, and back to your original. And now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I'll let my guard. Now if you want to play it in the same key as Lewis Capaldi, you're tuning down a whole step. So usually tuning from the 5th fret. So what you're really doing is you're going down to the 3rd fret, and you're tuning from there. So tune all your strings to the 5th fret from now on, and then you match your E up with the bottom E. What I'll do now is I'll just play each string in the correct tuning if you just want to tune to the video, and you'll be in the same key as the video below, which makes it a bit low to sing to. Okay, this is it tuned a whole step down. I'll play each string a few times, starting on the 6th. And the 5th. Fourth. Third. Second.